Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to change your Microsoft Office save settings to avoid saving your work to the cloud in your OneDrive account. So many people click on the save button here and not realize that their documents and spreadsheets and PowerPoint presentations are getting saved to their OneDrive cloud account rather than their hard drive. And then when they go to look for their files, to say in File Explorer, they can't find them because they are in their OneDrive cloud account. So if this is not something you want to do, it's pretty simple to change. So this is not a foolproof method, so you still need to pay attention to what you're doing, but it will definitely help you out. All right, so if we go to File and then Options, you're going to have to do this for each one of your apps here, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Go to the Save section. So you can see this option here, autosave files stored in the cloud by default in Word. So when you click on Save, it's going to want to save them to your OneDrive account. So you could uncheck this box here, and then you could also check this box here, Save to Computer by Default, and the default will be your Documents directory, and you could actually change that to your desktop or another drive if you want. And when you click on Save, it'll just go to this folder here rather than going to the cloud. And let's say I change this, for example. Let's just say my D drive under Backups, like so. Click OK. Let's do a new document here because this one's already been saved. If I go to Save here, you can see it wants to save it now to my Documents Backup folder. And if I didn't change it, it would go to my regular Documents folder on my C drive. So sometimes you need to close and reopen Word for this change to take effect, by the way. All right, so let's go back here real quick. All right, so once again, you could uncheck this box to try and avoid having files saved to OneDrive by default. And then you could check this box here to save to your computer by default. Change this if you want to. You don't have to. If you like to save everything to your default documents folder on your C drive, you could do that. And then we also did a video on how to get rid of the OneDrive account option here. So if I go to File, Save As here, you could actually remove this from your Office applications so you don't accidentally click on it. So I'll put a link in the description for that video, and then you can check that out in case you want to give that a shot. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.